Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken very interesting question. Is a Olympiad maths question from all USSR. The question is compute the sum of sine square 4 degree plus sine square 8 degree plus sine square 12 degree plus up to sine square 176 degree. So this is a big series and we have to find the sum, and it is in square, not sine linear function. So let's proceed. So what we will apply formula here, that is your sine square theta, yeah, or 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sine square theta, or sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta twice theta by 2. So I'll apply this formula for each of the term. So first one will be, let me write once the question, sine square 4 degree plus sine square 8 degree plus sine square 12 degree. That means it is a multiple of 4. Last is sine square 176 degree. So first one is applying formula. It will be 1 minus cos 8 degree over 2 plus 1 minus cos 16 degree over 2, 1 minus cos 24 degree over 2, so on up to, and last is very big term, that is 1 minus cos 352 degree by 2. Okay, so from each term I am getting 1/2, so this will be half. How many times it will be? Let us find how many terms will be there. It will be 352. So it is starting from 8, or from here also from 4 and 176 I can also get it. So a is equal to 4 and an is equal to 176. That means 4 plus n minus 1 into d is again 4 equal to 176, or you are getting 4n equals to 176, or n is equal to 44. So 44 times I'll get half. So the sum of this series will be half into 44, and the rest I can take minus half common, so that in the series I'll get cos 8 degree plus cos 16 degree plus cos 24 degree, so on up to cos 352 degree. Okay, now after getting this, we'll apply a very uncommon formula, and you can note down for your Olympiad examination. The sum of, you won't get this question, this formula in many of the book. Sum of sine in an arithmetic progression is equals to sine of nd by 2 or sine d by 2 multiplies cos a plus n minus 1 into d whole by 2. This is the formula. This, for this particular series, a is equal to 8 because it is starting from cos 8 degree. D is again 8. The common difference is 8. 8 is added. and n is equal to 44 we have already calculated. So let's put in the formula. So it will be s equal to, let s equals to cos 8 degree plus cos 16 degree plus cos 24 degree up to cos 352 degree. So s equals to sine n is 44, b equals to your 8 over 2 whole upon sine d is 8 by 2, all this degree, into cos 8 plus your n minus 1, it will be 44 minus 1 into 8 over 2 degree. So this equals to, s equals to sine 176 degree, you will cancel, it will be, and here sine 4 degree multiplies cos 8 plus, this will be into 4, 43 into 4, 43 into 4 is your 43 into 4, 172. So this will be cos 180 degree, and this sine 176 can be written as sine 4 degree, 180 minus 1 is 4 degree, sine 4 degree, and this is equals to your cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree we know that it is minus 1. So s is equal to minus 1, negative 1. Now whole total sum equals to, total sum is equal to how much it was your, let us go back so that we can see what does the total s equals to, your this one. So this is your s, it will be half into s. So let it, I am writing as s1, I am getting the sum, it will be 22 minus 22 minus half into s. So 22 minus half into your minus 1, that will be 22 plus half, this is equal to 45 by 2. So sum means sine square 4 degree plus sine square 8 degree plus sine square 12 degree up to sine square 176 degree equals to 45 by 2 or 22.5, not degree, it is in value. So I hope you have enjoyed. This is a very interesting question. I enjoyed a lot. Thank you for watching.